All right, guys, we're going to review lesson 2 of chapter 6, Making Money Choices. I'm going to read the build background and we'll get started. The money people earn goes toward paying for important things. People need to pay for a place to live. People need to buy food. People also spend money on things they want. There are a lot of choices to make. A plan can help. In this lesson, we will find out about making money plans. Minding your money. A penny saved is a penny earned. That was the advice Benjamin Franklin gave to people in the 1700s. That advice can also be used today. Saving money and spending money can be part of a plan. A plan for using money is called a budget. A budget can help you make money choices. It is a way to keep track of what you spend your money on. It can also keep you from spending too much. A good budget balances your income and your expenses. Income is money you receive for the work you do. Expenses are the things you spend money on. You look at the amount of your income for a week, a month, or a year. Then you decide how to spend and save it. For every choice, there is an opportunity cost, what you give up getting in order to get something else. There are things you need, such as food and clothes, and things you might want, such as CDs or going to the movies. Whenever you choose one thing over another, it means that something else has more value to you. Looking at the opportunity cost can help you make choices and stay within a budget. Over here on the side, we have our Benjamin Franklin Poor Richard's Almanac, which we talked about in class. And I believe he was mentioned on your study guide, so I am going to go over this here. So this is an excerpt from Poor Richard's Almanac. He talks about savings, and Benjamin Franklin was a politician, author, and an inventor. He says, "Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Our necessities are never equal our wants. A penny saved is a penny earned. He that goes a-borrowing goes a-sorrowing." So he advises people to save their money and be smart with their spending. So looking at the next page here, making a budget. Jason is 16 years old. He is working as a counselor at a day camp in St. Louis, Missouri. He earns $100 each week. Jason has some goals for his money. He wants to save money to buy a bicycle. He likes to go to the movies on the weekends with his friends. Jason also wants to save money to go to college. There are other things that Jason needs to spend money on so that he can have a job. He needs to pay for his bus fare to and from work. He needs to pay for lunch. These are his expenses. Jason made a budget to help him make good money choices. His father's birthday is in July. Jason wants to get him a present. He decided to go to the movies less often. This way, he will have money for the present. Jason also wants to buy a few music CDs. A savings account. Putting money into a savings account at a bank is one way to save money. It is also a way to earn extra money. Banks allow people and businesses to save and borrow money with interest. Interest is money that a bank pays you when you put money in an account or money you would pay the bank if you took a loan. Banks play an important role in our economy, especially in providing loans to businesses. Here is Jason's budget for the month of July. His income for the month is $400. He listed the things he needs and the things he wants. Study the chart. How much will Jason save in July? And we did look at this in class together, and we thought about the things that he needs, which are over here on the left, and then the things that he wants. So he added up all the money for the things he needs, like his bus fare, to and from work, and his lunch money, and then the things that he wants, like saving money for college, his birthday gift for his father, movie tickets, and CDs. So there's a total need for a total expense for his needs, which is $100, and the total for his wants, which is $200. So with that, he's able to make a plan about how much he'll save, how much he'll spend, and he'll be able to stick to this budget. That's why it's smart to write everything out. Different people use budgets. Did you know that when you make a budget, you have something in common with the President of the United States? Our country's government gets money from its citizens. The President makes a budget for spending the money. Your state has a budget also. A state government decides how to spend money for the things the people in the state need. Families also make budgets. They figure out how much money they earn each month. Then they decide how to spend the money. Families need to pay for food, clothing, and a place to live. Families might also try to save money for important goals. Buying a house, going on a family trip, and helping children learn are some things that families might save money for. Putting it together. It is important to make good choices with your money. A budget can help. People use budgets to plan how they will spend and how they will save the money they earn. They may spend their money on things they need and want. They may also save some of their money. Different people use budgets. People in government use budgets, schools use budgets, and families use budgets. Knowing about budgets can help us to make wise choices about money. Okay, so that is the end of our lesson 2, chapter 6 review.